Okay, let us find the synopsis of area under curve and differential equations. Area under curve, you know that y is equal to f of x, a is a to b, f of x dx. This gives you area under curve. This is the area under curve, you will get it from a to b. Okay, next one. So if it is about y-axis, if we take, we write a to c to d, gy dy. Okay, next one. So when two curves are given, you are finding area, therefore we take the modulus. This area plus this area. Obviously this will be negative. So that's why we take modulus. Suppose I take an example. If we talk about integral, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi. Integral 0 to pi cos x dx is equal to 0. But if we talk about area, we write 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx minus, because lower area, pi by 2 to pi cos x dx. So this will give you 2. So that's the meaning of it. Area means this as well as this plus. So when two curves are given, if we have two curves, y1 is equal to f of x, y2 equal to g of x, such that y1 equal to f of x lies above y equal to g of x, then a is a to b f of x dx minus a to b g of x dx. This in between area, you'll get it. Area under curve. So between these two curves. So upper curve, this is upper curve minus lower curve. So area bounded by y1 is equal to fx and y2 is equal to gx between the coordinate x equal to and x equal to b. Then we write this is x equal to a, this is x equal to b. So this is one curve, some common point is there, this is the area. Integration limit as a sum. Definition of integral as a limit as sum, summation of series by the integration. Let fx is a continuous function defined in closed interval a comma b, limit tending to infinity, summation r is equal to 0 to n minus 1, 1 by n, f of r by n equal to 0 to 1 f of x dx. So r by n factor becomes as x. So 1 by n is nothing but dx. Sorry. So express the given series 1 by n f of n. Then the limit, it is a sum n tending to infinity. This is when n tending to infinity. So this is the case. So r by n by replaced by x, 1 by n by dx. The summation represents as integral sign. Next one. So lower and upper limits of integration will be the values of r by n for the first and last term, or the limits of these values. R equal to 0 implies x equal to r by n. Okay, r equal to n minus 1, x is equal to n minus 1 by n. So we say again 1. So limits are from 0 to 1. F of x dx. Even 1 centimeter also you can take as 1 unit, and 10 centimeters also you can take it as 1 unit. Area bounded by parabola y square equal to 4x and its latest rectum is 8a square by 3. If you remember results, it will save a lot of time. Area bounded by parabola x square equal to 4ay and its latest rectum is 8a square by 3. So area of the ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to pi ab. Here only I will write it. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and y is equal to mx plus k. Area bounded will be delta to the power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Delta is discriminant of ax square plus b minus m into x plus c minus k equal to 0. Discriminant of this one. Don't cancel any term while taking discriminant. Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, y equal to mx plus k. So area bounded will be delta to the power 3 by 2 by 6a square, ax square plus b minus m into x plus c minus k equal to 0. Discriminant is nothing. Discriminant of this quadratic equation. Similarly, x equal to ay square plus by plus c, and x equal to my plus k. Then same formula for discriminant will be ay square plus b minus m into y plus c minus k equal to 0. So this is the discriminant again, delta to the power 3 by 2 by 6a square. Please write down these two formulae, are very important. Okay. Differential equation. An equation which involves the independent and dependent variables and derivatives of dependent variable is called a differential equation, where differential coefficients are involved. So dy by dx power is 1. So it is first order, first degree differential equation. So type of differential equation, ordinary differential equation, an equation which contains only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. Partial, of course, it is not in our syllabus, Partial differential equation, an equation which contains more than one independent variable, is called partial differential equation. So we have syllabus in ordinary differential equation. Now, order of a differential equation. The order of the highest derivative appears in differential equation is called order of differential equation. Degree. The power on the highest order derivative appearing in differential equation after it is made free of radical or fraction is called degree of differential equation. I repeat once again. Order of highest derivative appearing in a differential equation is called the order of differential equation. Degree of differential equation, the power of highest order of derivative appearing in the differential equation after it is made free from radical and fractions is called the degree of differential equation. Now find the order and degree. 1 plus 3 dy by dx to the power 1 by 3. We cube both sides, we get this equation. So it is third order, third degree. So all are integers. Here also integer 1 is written, here integer 3. Order 3, degree 3. Next, a variable separable. So x will write in one side and y will write one side. So suppose fx dy plus gy dx is written. So dy by gy is equal to minus times of dx by f of x. It's called variable separable. Reduced to variable separable. Ax plus by plus c. We put ax plus by plus c as a new variable and you'll get a variable separable. So in our syllabus, variable separable is there. Homogeneous equation, degree throughout the equation is same, is called homogeneous. Dy by dx equal to f of y by x is called homogeneous differential equation. To solve the homogeneous equation, we take y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Other one is also there. If we take x is equal to vy, then we form differential equation dx by dy is equal to v plus y dv by dy. We use this. So homogeneous is changed to linear. Then we solve it. Changing homogeneous to linear differential equation. Linear differential equation is very, very important. Every competitive, they ask only linear differential equation, most of the problems. Linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, where p is the function of x, q is also a function of x. Q is not equal to 0 and p and q are functions of x. Then we call it as linear differential equation. dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Then we say it is a linear differential equation. Another linear differential equation is there. Dx by dy plus px is equal to q, where p and q are functions of y. Now, how we solve? Dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Integrating factor is e to the power integral p dx. So y into integral factor is equal to q into integral factor dx. So if it is dx by dy, px equal to q, integrating factor will be e to the power p dy, x into integrating factor, q into integrating factor into dy plus c, where p and q are constant functions. So equation of family of lines through origin is y equal to mx. Equation of family of non-horizontal lines is given by ax plus by equal to c. Equation of family of non-vertical lines is ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, equation of family of concentric circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. It is not much important, but just you remember all these facts you know very well. So equation of family of circles passing through origin and having the center on y-axis is given by x square plus y square plus 2f equal to 0. Circle chapter also you have studied. Equation of family of circles passing through origin and having their center at x-axis is given by x square plus y square equal to 2gx. This also you have studied in circle chapter. So equation of a family of parabolas x-axis and with the focus at the origin is y square is equal to 4a plus x plus a. You studied in family of parabola. Equation of family of unit circles having the centers on y-axis given as x square plus y minus f whole square is equal to 1. So some formulas are left in the area I am writing. The area of region bounded by x square is equal to y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx is 8 by 3 a square m cube. Sorry, it is, sorry for inconvenience. It will be 8 by 8 a square by 3 m cube. Area of the region for y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx is 8a square by 3m cube. Similarly, area of region x square is equal to 4ay and y is equal to mx is 8 by 3 a square m cube. So very important both the formulae. So this much of formulae are sufficient for areas. Now in differential equation, there are some important are there. Please remember d of xy is equal to y dx plus x dy, very important for differential equations. D of x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by y square. Similarly, d of y by x is equal to x dy minus y dx by x square. Very important, this one. 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is also important. D by log xy equal to y dx plus x dy by xy. So these are the majorly important, and d of under root x square plus y square equal to x dx plus y dy by under root of x square plus y square. These are very important results. So most of the problems in competitive, they are asking linear differential equations. You do practice, and we will also do when we do the questions. So we'll continue with the problems next lecture.